Alright. Got below freezing started this thing. See, the battery holds up. And if it'll start. This is the Ranger here, the drag truck. So let's see what we got. Oh God. Oh God, I accidentally closed the camera getting in here. So let's see what we got. It might not start. Obviously. What? It might start. Maybe not. Alright, throw charge on it. We know what to start then, so I ain't gonna bother filming this. Alright, let's try this again here. Damn it. Alright, and again. Damn it. Try again. Shit. Wow. Pump it. Finally. This is why you don't start them in the cold. Might be out of gas. Oh, I got gas. By the way, thanks to Steven, I'm now going to dedicate all the cold starts this year. Today, it's going away for a little while, but he'll be back. At least to get it out the way, I don't have to worry about this shit no more. So, we'll see, but all the cold starts him are going to be dedicated to him now. Friend up there too because he's never been, but oh well. So do it next year. He's only getting months, not years, so. go. Full start done.